paint marking for retention. This video takes you step by step through tree selection for retention in your native forest. Marking trees to keep instead of to harvest makes you assess which are the healthiest trees with the best attributes to retain and improve the genetic standard of your forest instead of removing all the best trees and leaving the rubbish. There are 6 criteria which help you determine which trees to be retained. Number 1. Spacing. Trees should be spaced on average of 8 to 8.5 metres apart depending on their diameter class. You can use the Native Forest Management Guides to help you determine the spacing. Number 2. Preferred species. You need to be able to recognise commercial species from non-commercial species. PFSQ has a species ID booklet and a range of short videos to help you identify common timber species in southeast Queensland. Number 3. Good wood quality. Quality trees have a straight log length greater than 6 metres and limited defects. It is a good idea to look at the hardwood sawlog classification guidelines to help you determine what wood products you can get from a standing tree. Number 4. Crown health. A good tree has a healthy, uniform dense tree crown with limited dead branches, mistletoe and/or epicormic shoots. There is a separate video to help you recognise a healthy crown. Number 5. Crown position. An ideal tree has a dominant or co-dominant tree crown placement in the canopy. Number 6. Legislation. In remnant vegetation, retain the required numbers of habitat or recruitment trees prescribed in the Managing a Native Forest Practice Code. Based on the selection criteria above, mark trees to keep with paint. Every so often, do a rough count to check your stocking levels with a 1/20th of a hectare plot, which is equal to a 12.6 metre radius. Always a good idea to mark the habitat trees with a H. If commercial amounts of product trees are present, then organise a harvest. Once the product trees are removed chemically or mechanically, thin any unmarked, unmerchantable stems.